Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to contact support here in Semrush. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. And then from here, contacting the Semrush support is a simple process that can be crucial for resolving issues, getting guidance, and ensuring that you are using the platform effectively. So these are some of the options for you to contact the Semrush support. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner. If you don't see the help section, click the question mark option in the bottom right corner. You see there is going to be an option that says Help Center. And from here, these are the channels where you can reach them, all right? Getting started, how-to articles, advertising, and App Center, all right? You see at the bottom, it says the support team is here to help. Click the button that says Contact Support, and you would be forwarded to this option right here. You can send a message right here. All right, it's a support bot. Type in your question to see if you get an answer. Now, if you don't, the next option that you can do is go to the knowledge-based page from Semrush, and there should be an option that says Contact Us option if you have any questions for the support or sales team. The quickest way is to get in touch with them. Click this button, you would be forwarded to this section, all right? Request a session with our expert, all right? And they will be in touch with you shortly. Contact sales if you want. If you have wanted to upgrade or customize your needs or your subscription plans. And if you want to find an answer for yourself, like on how to or guidance, just click the Help Center. And again, if you need an issue being resolved very quickest, go to the Contact Support. All right, click that and you would be forwarded to the same section earlier, right? Now, once you get a hold of one of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems with any of your issues, and they would give you insight and troubleshooting steps, all right, via an email on how to fix any problem you encounter within the Semrush application. You can also join and visit the Semrush community for discussions, user-generated tips, and guidance from other Semrush users like you. You see this? There's a lot that you can work with. When I was here, I get some tips and advices from the very active community members if in case I encounter any unknown issues. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.